Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Meetup Pro for growing community-driven opportunities. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Meetup website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one using your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. Locate the Meetup Pro section in the menu. Click on it to learn more about the subscription options available. Take a moment to review the benefits of Meetup Pro. Scroll down to find detailed pricing information. Select the plan that best fits your needs. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required details, including your community name and description. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Provide your payment information securely. Confirm your subscription details. Click on the final Submit button to complete your purchase. Once confirmed, you will receive a welcome email. Log into your Meetup account again to access your new Pro features. Explore the various tools available for managing your community. Start creating events and connecting with your members. Utilize the resources provided by Meetup for ongoing support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.